I'm going to take this first section. Now, body position. I don't want to stand with my feet together. If my feet are together, that means I can't see what I'm doing, right? So then, this also starts to become very strained, and I'll start to do that to feel comfortable, right? Now, the key thing here is understanding what graduation is. Graduation is a buildup of weight vertically. That means it's shorter at the bottom and everything else gets longer, all the way up to the parting, to the top. If at some point it follows the head shape, then it's not graduation. That's layering, right? See, come on over here and let's do this. So I pull the hair straight out from the head, and then I angle my fingers to create the graduation. So can you see the V? That's graduation. If I'm parallel, that's layers. See, look, when I'm parallel, it leaves all that weight there. So when the hair falls, it collapses, it's layered. So this is soft and weak. Now, graduation is the opposite. It's a buildup of weight, not a removal. So it's actually creating a V in relation to the head shape. So now when that falls, it's much stronger. That's the beauty of graduation. It's pure construction. Layers is demolition. So let's put this in. So if you notice, I'm now working on the outside, on the inside of my fingers, excuse me. And the inside of my fingers is obviously flatter, but I also have the tendency now to pull down. That allows me to angle my fingers. So pushing that elbow up brings those fingers down. So I tend to cut graduation on the inside of my fingers. Now, if you noticed, all the way down, I never went past that second knuckle. See, look at my fingers. They actually get wider and thicker towards the bottom, towards the knuckle. So when I cut that line, and if I follow the fingers, I'll actually cut that. So that's not graduation. Again, that's layering it. So I need to make sure that I take that in. So now when I comb that down, it's strong. See, that's graduation. It's not moving anywhere. Graduation is earthquake proof.